Good day, ma'am. We are the researchers from Technical Drafting Claudia.
I'm Arriane Hembrador.
I'm Maryrose D. Larong.
I'm Shane Purificacion.
Zyrus Saquing.
And we are here to discuss our study entitled The Development of a Bamboo Drafting Toolkit for Technical Drafting Students.
Introduction of this study.
The researchers will discuss the background of the study, objective of the study, significance of the study, and the scope and limitation of the study.
Background of the study. Bamboo. Bamboo is an invaluable resource of furniture production. Also has positive attributes such as mechanical strength, easy processing, and availability in many tropical areas, which give it the attribute of becoming a renewable source as a substitute for wood and has been referred to as a green or eco-friendly furniture material since natural environment.
Objective of the study. The following are the specific objectives of the researchers that will be achieved at the end of the study. First, develop a bamboo drafting toolkit that provides the following. A. It has 5 layers, 2 layers on both sides, one in the middle for the upper part of the toolkit for materials and technical drafting. B. It has one drawer in the lower part of the toolkit for plate and other materials that cannot be stored in the upper part of the toolkit.
Number two, create an equipment for use in schools, particularly in technical drafting, to assist students with their drafting tools. Number three, evaluate the product through its efficiency, effectiveness, quality, and functionality.
Significance of the study. This study will give further knowledge about the use of bamboo. It will be a great asset in the field of education and the following to our nation. It will help citizens to have an alternative low-cost materials to use. It will serve as knowledge about the effectiveness of bamboo as alternative material in creating objects.
To educational institution, it will improve their knowledge about the other use of bamboo as the main material. This will also serve as information to those people who are seeking an alternative material. To the teachers, this will serve as a knowledge that can be taught to students.
To the students, it will give them knowledge about how bamboo can be used to keep all their drawing tools that can be brought everywhere with the use of bamboo as a drafting toolkit. And, and to the future researchers, this will serve as another basis that will give knowledge about the effectiveness and use of bamboo.
Scope and limitation. The study aims to help technical drafting to have an edible drafting toolkit using bamboo to keep and organize their drawing tools and plates. Evaluation system. Evaluation is to evaluate through its effectiveness, to show whether the developed product is effective or not. Efficiency, to see the efficiency of innovative product if it's long-lasting or not. Quality, to ensure that this product is useful in the future. And last, functionality, to know whether the product is capable of performing its uses.
Conceptual framework. In this part, it shows the requirements. Also, it includes the operation of the product and lastly, the assessment of it. Methodology. In this part, presents the development strategy of the research project. It provides the project design, development, flowchart, and testing technique that was used and the evaluation technique to assess the project acceptability.
Project design. The development of the bamboo drafting toolkit was designed to help the students of technical drafting to organize the materials of technical drafting, not only to organize, but also they can store their plates too. This product will resolve the problem of students of technical drafting, wherein this product can be placed anywhere and more convenient in organizing the materials of technical drafting and storing their plates. It will be less hassle and more convenient for students of technical drafting. The figure shows the project to be developed.
Project development. In this part, it shows the different parts of different materials used in this product. As you can see, figure 3 shows the profile view of the product. Next, figure 4 shows the profile view of the 5-layer toolkit. The next one, figure 5, shows the profile view of the side view of the product. And last, figure 6, profile view of the drawer of the product. Project development shortcut. It illustrates the methods of analysis using above example. It illustrates the processes of for preparing, operating, and developing the kit, measuring the efficacy and appraisal of the toolkit.
Operational procedure. To be able to use properly the developed product, the following procedure listed below are the procedures in operating the developed bamboo drafting toolkit. These are procedures in operating the developed bamboo drafting toolkit. Open the toolkit using both hands to see each layer that has different types of container for the materials in technical drafting. 2. Avoid putting inappropriate materials to avoid the destruction of the materials in technical drafting. 3. Things that are inappropriate in the first part of toolkit are eligible to be placed on the small drawer of the toolkit that is shown on the bottom side of the toolkit. 4. After putting the materials in technical drafting inside the bamboo drafting toolkit, it can now be used or bring to the workplace.
Testing procedure. Performance testing will be tested by selecting 5 students from technical drafting in the testing. The selected respondent will examine the developed product using the following criteria: effectiveness, efficiency, quality, and the functionality of the bamboo drafting toolkit to determine if the product needs an improvement. The discussion and presentation for the result of this performance testing will be shown in the next chapter. In addition, the result can be used as evidence before the product is reviewed by an expert panel. Evaluation.
Evaluation procedure. Evaluation procedure. To properly evaluate the acceptability of the product, the researchers will use a survey instrument applying all the standard format for conducting the actual product approved by an expert. The product will be evaluated through the following criteria: effectiveness, efficiency, quality, and functionality, each having a set of 3 statements on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. The result of the survey will be tabulated, and the mean X will help to determine the rate of the product.
Treatment of data. As a result of after gathering the data and evaluating it, it should be changed into tabular form. The grand mean x and mean source x for each standard must be derived from the mean scores of each standard. In addition, the standard deviation will be used to determine the number of total variations. With regards to this, the numeric rating with adjustable equivalence will also originate. This is the formula in getting the ranking, where x the average mean, n the final value of the standard evaluation, sd the standard deviation. To completely understand, see the intersection on the next slide.
It is the presentation where the Likert scale for evaluation is presented. And that's all. Thank you.